What are the pitfalls of self-branding? Can you share some examples of that?
When you're self-branding, you have to really make sure that it's who you are, and you want to be working with somebody who can help you put yourself online in as good of light as possible. So again, we're not necessarily trained as experts in personal branding. If you're an engineer or an accountant, or a factory worker, chances are you're not trained in how to do this.
Yeah, no.
And so you want to find some help to do this. So the mistake that you can make is you can put out material that is either at cross purpose for you, or that just doesn't display you in as nice of a way as it possibly could. A simple example would be, I take a picture of myself out anywhere and use that as my profile picture as opposed to getting a professional headshot done. Different meanings behind them. They're both appropriate for different places. You want to make sure you're putting them in the right place.
Oh, we hear warnings to young people all the time. Watch your social media profile because employers are definitely looking that up.
Absolutely, and it works on many different dimensions. And again, if you're consciously doing it, there's examples of you shouldn't talk about politics or religion or anything like that. But if you do it smart, you can actually benefit from that, because that's a way of actually segmenting markets also, and identifying people. So you want to be doing things as purposefully as possible, not by accident.
Does it put you in a box though? If you build this profile and then they think, oh, that's all you are and that's all you can do. I mean, it could be great, but could it be limiting?
Well, ideally, if you're developing a multidimensional profile, so it's not just about this one little thing that you do, right? We get an insight into who you are and all of the different kinds of things you do. But I think that is a good concern, because we see that happening even on the job. You get pigeonholed into a task, and then people just think of you, well, this is all that you do. And it's like, well, no, I can do this and this and this, and I'd love to do that, but you never get the opportunity. So that's really a personal branding problem of making sure that you're expressing to everybody what it is that you're interested in and capable of doing. So you can't hold it back and expect people to know you. You have to put yourself out there.